Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stamp Creates here to share with you my Etsy bag that I got. I already took it out of the package the other day. This month is September 2020 and I love the cute little bag. One of the cute things that I do love is that Ipsy sends these cute bags every month, and I don't know about you, but I love bags. This will be so nice. It's nice corduroy, two-tone, nice for the fall. Great little bag to throw into your purse. So let's take a look and see what's inside this month. Okay, so here we have September 2020, hashtag Ipsy Good Vibes. This month, radiate positivity. From trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color, when you embrace this season of change with the I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. So you can check out all of the month's theme at ipsy.com/blog/good-vibes. So there are 5 glam bag products valued at $50+. So, ooh. And there's ways you can update your Ipsy profile. So if you don't yet subscribe to Ipsy and you like to try out some new makeup products, or maybe if you're anything like me and I don't really wear a lot of makeup, don't know where to start, this is a great way to try out new products without having to clean out the pocketbook, if you know what I'm saying. So let's take a look. This bag is filled with lots of stuff. So first off, look at this huge package here. Excuse me. Let's check this out and see what this is. So I haven't looked at anything yet. Excuse me, so dry. This is Pacifica Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. So let's see what it says. Shades is Sunset Matte, Desert Matte. Okay, so let's take a look. There's a secret to opening it. I don't think so. Okay. All right, let's get into it. My goodness. Let me get my, let me try a bone folder. I'm a paper crafter, right? So, all right. Well, we're just going to have to rip into the bag, I guess. Box, I should say. Okay, here we go. Ooh, we have 2. Is there 2? It's a double. Oh, this is nice. Look at nice little compact, and here's a mirror on the other side, so hello. And it's Desert Sunset, and very nice. 2 different shades. And okay, let's see what it says about it. Want to blush up and glow with a single product? This buildable blush and bronzer duo has got you covered. The bronzer has a matte finish, which makes it easy for glowing sand shine. Is that right? Yeah. Especially if your skin's on the oily side, the blush will leave you with a natural looking rosy glow. Tip, sweep this bronzer over your lids to give them depth and dimension. Wow, so this is a deluxe sample. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price of the full version of the product is $18. So very nice. And I think this Ipsy bag is only like $10. So, excuse me. Last month I wasn't very happy with it. So let's continue, shall we? So this is Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. Okay. So let's see if we can get this one open. And I have a cut on my thumb. So I'm trying not to bust that back open again. I, of course, was making some chicken soup, and, you know, using the slicer, well, always use a guard. Okay, so here we are, Estate Do Me Baked, I have to bring it closer up to read, Baked Highlight Powder. And I apologize for my nails. Didn't have a chance to put some polish on. So, ooh, there we go. So let's see what it says about that. We're all about this golden highlights, light, airy texture. You barely feel it on, and it doesn't look cakey over your makeup, no matter how much you layer. Plus, the velvety baked formula means you can use it both dry or wet. To intensify the pigments. Okay. Tip, use a small brush to dust onto cheekbones or dab onto lids to illuminate them. So the full-size manufacturer suggests the retail price is, it looks like $10. This print is very small, especially, you know, when you're my age. So that's nice. Look, we have some bronzer and so let's see what else we have in here. Okay, this is a skin regimen cleansing cream, anti-pollution face wash. So nice little tube. So let's see, skin regimen cleansing cream, our #1 requirement when it comes to the perfect face wash. It should never leave your skin feeling tight or dry. Well, it's why we love this nourishing cleansing cream, which dissolves makeup, SPF, and buildup without stripping your skin or depleting its moisture barrier. Tip, massage this cleanser into your skin in a circular motion, then rinse with warm water. So the full-size version is $40. So I'll have to give that a try and see how that is. We're not done. We still have more. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Jante Bleu. Art makeup. Professional art makeup. Liquid eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I apologize for the coughing. So let's open this up. I've never used, I do use eyeliner. I always use a pencil, so I've never really played around with a liquid one. So a good reason to get the Ipsy bag, you know, is you can practice with it. And this looks like a full size. I mean, I don't know, maybe that's a lot larger. Okay, so it has a nice little tip on it like a marker. So I'm going to have to give this a try. So let's see what it says. Sorry about my throat. It's in black, that's the color that, you know, I mostly use. This inky black eyeliner does it all, from subtle liner looks to dramatic wings. The silky felt tip applies color smoothly and evenly. No tugging on your lids, and it's super precise, so you'll have extra control over your lines. Bonus, it's quick drying, long lasting, waterproof, and cruelty free. So the tip for this is, for a quick flick, line your upper lids, then wing it up and out at the corner of your eye. So the full size is $9. So that's nice. Then we have one more item, and then you could see on the inside of the bag, they have their little Ipsy logo in there. But I love this little bag. I mean, for $10, look at all the items that you get. Okay, so let's check this out and see. It has an eyeball on it. And I have glue all over my fingers. Sorry. Roller Lash. Black mascara. Okay. And again, super tiny. It's a roller for lashes. On, hold on, I had to take my glasses down to read this. On, oh, that's a different language. No wonder why I can't read it. 97% said eyes look more wide open. Oh, said it visibly lifts lashes. 87% says it gives long-lasting curl, and 94% said eyes look more wide open. Okay, so it's a black mascara. I love the box. I love the colors. Let's get that bone folder in there again. Ooh, I like the color. Ooh, love that rose gold color. So let's see. Okay. There you go. You see that? So, boy, I'm going to really have myself all spruced up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. Yay! Let's see what it says about it. Lush Mascara in black. Meet your go-to water-resistant mascara that really won't budge. The unique hook and roll wand does it all. It grabs every lash to separate, lift, and curl. plus the instant curve setting formula conditions your lashes and stays put for 12 hours. Wow. Tip, gently wiggle the wand from the base of your lashes to the tip and repeat with another coat. So the deluxe sample sells for $25. So yeah, I want to say that, let me clean this all up, and then hopefully YouTube will pick this as my photo to show you. The Ipsy bag, good vibes, and you guys are over here more. Look at all the fun product that was included in this month's bag. I have to tell you, I'm highly impressed. Last month, I was not really impressed with the items. This month, I really am impressed with all of the product that was included in the September 2020 subscription. So go ahead online and check it out. It's etsy.ipsy. I'm sorry, not it's Ipsy. Ipsy. IPSY.com. I'm thinking Etsy because I just got some new fabric in, which is wonderful. Anyhow, it's Ipsy.com, IPSY.com, and you can check all about the new products for this month if you go to ipsy.com/blog/goodvibes. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this, and be sure to hit that red subscribe box and ring the little bell next to it. Hopefully next time my teeth won't get in the way of my tongue and talking. But thanks for joining me. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye for now.